Today I'll show you how I make two staples of my culinary sex dungeon from scratch: garlic confit and garlic oil. Easy to make, but these ingredients find countless uses in so many dishes that I always have them at my disposal. So let us start, shall we? First thing to do is to peel a metric fuck ton of garlic cloves. Notice how that shaking garlic inside a closed container to remove the peel trick didn't work. So I have to peel them all by hand, which is totally not annoying as shit. One eternity later, I was finally left with a big casserole dish full of beautiful cloves. We cover those completely in an oil of your choice. I go with canola oil here, but really any vegetable oil will do. Always keep in mind though what you'll use this oil for. So for high temperature cooking, olive oil for example would not be the greatest of choices. Sorry, Jamie.
Woo! Yeah!
Now we'll shove the whole thing into the oven. I'm using my outside oven for that, since I don't want my house to smell like a Polish brothel for the next 2 weeks. This next step is optional, but it makes those ingredients 69 times better: smoking it. If you do not have a smoker though, simply heat the oven to about 90 degrees Celsius and let the oil infuse for about 1 hour. Once the cloves have nicely browned and are silky smooth to the touch, falling apart between your fingers, take them out of the oven and cover the tray. Let the mixture now sit at room temperature for 24 more hours to really infuse this bitch-ass oil to perfection. 1 day later, it is time to filter our oil. For the first instance, we'll use a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth. This will get rid of all the unwanted scum in the oil. Also, this will take a while, so be patient. Once that's done, use a coffee filter or double layer of kitchen wipes to really get the oil clean and golden looking. This step will take even longer, so be prepared. As for the garlic cloves, put them into a can or different type of container and fill the whole thing up to the brim with an oil of your choice, which will get cold infused with the wonderful taste of caramelized garlic as well as time passes. About 10 minutes later, we can already see a significant difference between the single filtered oil and the liquid gold we are currently producing. Truly outstanding. After all the filtering is done, fill that good stuff into a squeeze bottle or different dish for instant access. The oil can be used for all types of cooking, pan frying and making bread taste orgasmic. And the cloves can be mixed into dishes as a substitute for garlic paste or be spread like butter onto bread. The possibilities are truly endless, and all of them will make your taste buds go yeah!
Yeah!
This simple NPC recipe is a solid 9 out of 9. Everyone should give it a shot. That's about it. See ya!